ऐसी है दोस्ती के फलक भी करे है नाज, रिश्ता है ये हमारा नए दौर का आगाज।
Transform the transport sector here in Punjab, and we start now, where people can leave their private transport at home and they get an end-to-end solution.
Going on so